Alright, your turn. No!
Do you think you're in the mood for a walkie? Are you in the mood for a walkie?
Slime, this your favorite show? Look at him, y'all, watching Zootopia. Soft ass dog. My fault, Brian. He didn't call you that.
Bridge, put your tongue back in your mouth now. Put your tongue back in. Get him, puppy. Oh! You gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
This is supposed to be a punishment for you.
Who did this?